In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Shopify. We're going to connect your Shopify store to Mailchimp by installing the official Mailchimp email and SMS marketing app from the Shopify App Store, then authorizing the connection in Mailchimp. This lets your customers, orders, and products sync, so you can run campaigns and automations with accurate store data. Start in your Shopify admin on the home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that your account has permission to install apps. On the left sidebar, click Apps. This is your central spot for managing everything you've added to your store. From there, choose All Recommended Apps. This opens up curated options from Shopify. Next, select Shopify App Store to browse the full directory. If a new tab opens, that's normal. In the App Store, find Mailchimp Email, SMS Marketing. Open the app listing to review details like features, pricing, and permissions. When you're ready, click the button to add or install the app. You'll be taken back to Shopify to approve the permissions Mailchimp needs. These typically include access to customers, orders, and products, so your marketing reflects real store activity. Take a moment to review them, then confirm to proceed. After installation, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Use your organization's secure login and complete any verification if asked. Once you're in Mailchimp, head to the connection area for Shopify. You'll see an option to allow or authorize the connection with your store. Approve this to link the two platforms. During this connection step, you may be asked to confirm which store you're connecting and, in some cases, which audience you want to sync. Choose the correct ones for your business so you don't create duplicates or mix test data with live contacts. If you have multiple Mailchimp audiences, pick the primary list you actually use. Don't worry if you're unsure, most of these settings can be reviewed later in Mailchimp. When everything is authorized, you should see a confirmation in Mailchimp that your Shopify store is connected. Back in Shopify, the app will also show as installed. The initial sync can take a few minutes depending on the size of your catalog and contact list, so give it a little time before expecting new data to appear in Mailchimp. That's it. You've installed the Mailchimp email and SMS marketing app, logged in, and allowed the connection with Shopify. With the link in place, you're ready to use Mailchimp's tools powered by your store data.